Want to cook delicious meals and save the planet while doing it? Let's dive into day 2 of our sustainable cooking series. Breakfast is banana pancakes. Grab 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of oats, and 2 eggs. Mash those bananas in a bowl until smooth. Mix in the oats and eggs thoroughly, and spoon the batter onto a hot pan. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Next up, lunch cauliflower leaf curry. Dice the leaves and stem from 1 head of cauliflower. Sauté an onion and 2 garlic cloves in a pot with olive oil until soft and fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, the diced cauliflower leaves and a tin of chickpeas. Stir in a cup of coconut milk and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. Serve with rice. For dinner, it's stuffed bell peppers. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off 4 bell peppers and remove the seeds. Mix 1 cup of cooked quinoa, a tin of chickpeas and any leftover veggies you have on hand. Stuff the peppers and bake for 30-40 minutes until tender. And there you have it, 3 delicious, zero-waste meals. Stay tuned for more sustainable cooking tips and tricks. Don't forget to check out our other videos like turn on notifications and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it more than you realize. See you next time.